Hi guys, I'm Raunak. The two-day Indian Premier League IPL mega auction concluded in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia on November 25th after some record-breaking deals and some fierce bidding war between 10 franchises. Defending champions Kolkata Knight Riders, who have 3 IPL seasons so far, had a good time in the auction. While there were a few surprising additions to the Knight Riders squad, they primarily focused on acquiring the tried and tested players who had earlier made an impact on the franchise. While they let go of quite a few big names, the KKR management was always clear on the players they wanted to buy back. They managed to retain their core from the previous year and also bought back players like Ajinkya Rahane and Manish Pandey, who had served KKR earlier. The squad looks well-oiled with so much experience in every department of the game. KKR also managed to buy a few faces who hope to take the tournament by storm once the actual action begins in March. Now let us rank KKR 4 best buys in the 2025 IPL auction considering several factors: value for money, potential to serve the franchise, and whether he is a long-term option. So let's get started without wasting any time. The West Indies T20 captain is one of the most powerful strikers going around. Thus, it was indeed a steal for the Kolkata Knight Riders to buy him at the best price of INR 1.50 crores. There wasn't any bidder for the big man and KKR would consider it to be a blessing in disguise. Robman Powell hasn't been able to realize his potential in the Cash-Rich League so far, but everyone is aware of his potential. Formerly a Delhi Capitals player, Robman Powell smashed 3 sixes of the first 3 deliveries of Obed McCoy in an IPL match in 2022, which remains the highlights of his IPL career. Considering his impact in other leagues and for West Indies, Robman Powell could become a permanent feature in the KKR 11. He might be slotted lower down the order and can play the role of a finisher. Not now many would have thought Venkatesh Iyer to go for the amount he did, but KKR was very clear in their plan. They somehow managed to get back all-rounder Venkatesh Iyer, who had formed a core of KKR in the last 3 years. He might not be one of the most flamboyant players going around, but he is certainly a good buy for KKR. He was eventually snapped up by KKR for a whopping sum of INR 23.75 crores after a fierce bidding war with the Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Kolkata Knight Riders wanted to retain the majority of the core, and that was the reason why they went all out for Venkatesh Iyer. It's the price tag that puts the powerful left-hander in the bottom half of the rankings. Ever since joining the KKR midway through the 2021 season, he was been a revelation and played a massive role in the dramatic turnaround in 2021. His form dipped in 2022 and questions were raised as to why he was still being carried by the franchise. However, he answered his critics with a bang in the next 2 seasons, scoring 404 runs and 370 runs respectively. Another promising buy for the defending champions is none other than swashbuckling South African wicketkeeper batter Quinton de Kock. While Quinton de Kock hasn't yet officially retired from T20I cricket, his last game for South Africa came in the T20 World Cup final against India. The Sunrisers Hyderabad was the first to raise the paddle for Quinton de Kock, but only went as far as INR 2.80 crores. The Mumbai Indians were also in the race, but eventually it was KKR who acquired his services for INR 3.60 crores. The last 2 years haven't been great for wicketkeeper batter, but his overall IPL record makes him a good buy for KKR. In all likelihood, he will open for the innings and also play the role of a wicketkeeper, which will allow the franchise to play an extra batter or bowler depending on the situation of the match. Given his stature and credentials as a cricketer, KKR certainly cracked a good deal. Arguably the best buy for the Kolkata Knight Riders has to be medium pacer Vaibhav Arora, who played an instrumental role in KKR's triumph campaign back in 2024. The Knight Riders and the Royals started the bidding war, while Delhi Capitals joined at INR 1.70 crores. They didn't go any further as KKR eventually snapped him of INR 1.80 crores. Given the impact he made for the franchise a year ago and given his familiarity with the team, Bhoya Baroda is perhaps the best buy for KKR in the auction. Bhoya Baroda bagged 11 wickets in 10 games in the previous IPL and backed the prized wicket of Travis Head in the final. So guys, who is your favorite cricketer? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell. I'll be back with a new interesting video. Thanks for watching this one. Check out other videos. See ya.